To install a vinyl siding mount, first confirm the placement location and ensure the vinyl panel size matches the mount. Start by identifying where you'll place the mount. Find a vertical seam, which shows where each siding panel begins and ends. Once you locate the seam, during installation, you will slide the top of the vinyl mount into the bottom of the siding panel at that seam. The mount doesn't need to be exactly at the seam, just along the vinyl joint at the bottom. Next, measure the panel height from the top edge to the bottom as shown in the picture. Select the correct mount size from the listing. Standard panels range from 3 to 5 inches. This mount fits any horizontal panel style, including traditional or Dutch lap. Check my other video for installation steps.